I am opposed to campus militarization because first and foremost, the campus is supposed to be an area where there's freedom to think without fear, without intimidation. The presence of military personnel inside the campus destroys this academic freedom, this freedom to be free in our thinking. No? What will be our solution to that? You know, it's a matter of security. Hire security guards, no? At very important din yung tinatawag na police visibility. The criminals are not afraid kung maraming mga bantay, kung yung bantay naman ay bantay sa lakay. At ang mga kriminal ay hindi rin takot kung may mga bantay, kung natutulog naman. The criminals are afraid to be caught, to be prosecuted, to be convicted, and be imprisoned. So every criminal element who lurks around the campus must fear that they are being watched, that if they commit crime, they will be caught, they will be prosecuted, and they will go to jail. Yan po ang ating solusyon. And we can also tap the modern means of technology, maglagay ng CCTV sa mga areas na kung saan talaga merong pagkakataon na magawa ng krimen. Lagyan natin ng lighting system na mas maliwanag yung campus. Hindi natin kailangan ang mga militar, lalo-lalo na walang batas